Hello. The cold weather sticks around for tonight. If anything, it turns a little colder during Monday evening, with showers increasingly of sleet and snow, especially northern Britain, where there's the risk by dawn of icy patches. At first, it's across Northern Ireland where we're expecting rain showers to turn to increasingly sleet and snow over the higher ground, mainly above 200 metres. Chance that we'll see snow come down to a little lower at times. And then that area of rain and sleet and hill snow moves into northern England and much of Scotland. But it's across Scotland where there's that low risk that we'll see snow down to relatively low levels through the central belt. Possibility of 5 centimetres of snow building up through the night. But over the higher ground of Scotland and northern England, more substantial snow building up, more than 10 centimetres over the higher peaks. Just about anywhere there's the risk of icy patches, and coming further south you can see a few flakes of snow over the Welsh mountains, the southwest moors, where there are possibilities of 1 or 2 centimetres of snow by dawn on Tuesday. Otherwise it's rain at lower levels and it's showers, so there'll be clear spells in between. A cold night for all places with a frost and, of course, those icy patches for northern Britain. Warnings of snow and ice in force for the northern half of the UK. Nothing unusual, of course, for the end of January, but not something we've seen a great deal of so far this winter. Those are the kinds of temperatures in towns and cities as we start off Tuesday. -4 Celsius for sheltered parts of Scotland. Now, the main area of rain and hill snow moves away from Scotland and northern England first thing Tuesday, and then it's more scattered showers into western Britain. Again, rain, sleet, hail at lower levels with snow over the higher ground. The snow level tending to rise through the day. Best of any dry, bright weather, eastern Scotland, central and eastern England. No matter where you are, though, it's going to feel cold in the wind. It will feel even colder than Monday, temperatures typically 4 to 6 degrees. Into Tuesday evening, and the showers continue for a time before eventually easing a little, especially for central and eastern areas. But where the showers come and go through the night, again, we can expect some slippery surfaces for the start of Wednesday, because it will be another frosty one as we begin the day. Temperatures by and large in the low single figures, but in sheltered spots below freezing. We leave the cold air behind, though, as we go through Wednesday. A significant change in weather is expected midweek. These weather fronts start to move in from the Atlantic. They're going to bring more significant wet weather, but also they're going to increase the temperatures. And so after that cold start on Wednesday, after that bright start, the showers fade for a time, especially across southern Britain, where there'll be some dry and bright weather for a time. But further north, the band of rain pushes in, initially of snow over the higher ground of central Scotland. It ends up being rain by the end of the day, along with a strengthening breeze. That's the first sign of the change that's coming for the end of the week. Temperatures already nudging up compared to Tuesday, and much milder air arrives for Thursday, Friday and into the weekend, but accompanied by some rain. You can find more on that, of course, through the Met Office week ahead forecast, which can be found on our social media channels. Bye-bye.